Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a wallet in BitGo account. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on enter. You will be directed to official page of BitGo. Now, click on login button and log in to your account. After that, under Assets tab, you will see Create Wallet button at the right hand side of your screen. Click on it. Then type in the name of your wallet. Now select the type of your asset here. After that, you need to check this box here, which is Self-Custody Hot. Now click on Continue button. After that, scroll down a little bit and you will need to type in your password on this field. After typing in your password here, confirm it by typing again on this field. Now click on Continue button. Now you need to select how you want to manage your backup key for this wallet. You can use this option here, which is recommended. You can also bring your own key to create a backup keys. Or you can also create a backup key on your browser and save it on your location. After that, click on Generate Keycard button. Now, the activation code will be downloaded on your keycard. Open the PDF file and you will see an activation code there. On the first page at the top right corner of your screen, you will see your activation code. Simply copy the code and paste it here. After that, click on this checkbox here. Now click on Create Wallet button. As you can see that your wallet has been created. So that is how you can create a wallet on BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.